everyone. Today I am going to show you how to delete tab searches on Netflix. So just open your Netflix application, go to the search bar, and you can see here tab searches on Netflix. Now, if you want to delete this tab searches on Netflix, I am sorry to tell you, but there is no option on how you are going to delete this one or to delete this because this is Netflix decision to put this movies, series, and films to the top searches. So there's no way you can delete this one. There's no option to that. But as you can see, if I'm going to long press this one, or if I'm going to slide it to the right or left, I cannot delete tab searches unless you delete Netflix history. That means you search those movies and you want to delete. But tab searches, it cannot be deleted. So you can only delete Netflix history, but you cannot delete tab searches. Netflix viewing history is kept on the server. Accordingly, deleting it from one device also deletes the viewing history from all other devices. But I am talking about your history. I mean, your viewing history. The top results Netflix return when you enter a search are determined by the activities of other users who have performed the same or similar queries. That means you cannot control the people's activities and queries. And we cannot also delete that. And Netflix, as of now, doesn't have that delete option on tab searches. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.